In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pie chart in Google Sheets with percentages in just 5 minutes. Pie charts are a fantastic way to visually represent data, making it easier to grasp the relationships between different segments at a glance. Whether you're working on a school project, a business presentation, or organizing your personal budget, creating a pie chart in Google Sheets is a useful skill to have. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, what you want to do is open Google Sheets and access the document where you have your data. If you're starting from scratch, you can quickly set up your spreadsheet by entering your data points in the columns. Remember, these points can be anything from sales figures to survey results, anything you'd like to visualize. Once your data is ready and laid out on the spreadsheet, move on to the next step. Now, it's time to highlight the data you want to include in your pie chart. Click and drag your cursor over the cells containing this data. This selection is crucial as it tells Google Sheets exactly what information needs to be visualized in your pie chart. Make sure to include both the labels and the values to ensure your chart is as informative and clear as possible. With your data selected, go to the top of the page and click on the Insert menu. Once that menu expands, a list of options will appear. Hover down to the option labeled Chart and click on it. This action prompts Google Sheets to automatically initiate a chart creation process, bringing up a default chart for your data directly on your sheet. The default chart might not be a pie chart, so you need to change it. On the right-hand side, you'll see the Chart Editor pane. Here, locate the Chart Type drop-down menu and click on it. You'll be presented with various options. Scroll through and select Pie Chart. Selecting this will transform your previously generated default chart into the pie chart we're aiming to create. Next, head over to the Customize tab within the Chart Editor. This section allows you to modify different aspects of your chart to suit your preferences or the requirements of your presentation. Click on Pie Chart to further customize your chart. In the Slice Label drop-down menu located here, choose Percentage. This option is what will add percentage labels to your pie segments, offering clear insight into how each piece of the pie contributes to the whole. Lastly, direct your attention to the Legend area. Click on Legend and opt for the right positioning to place the legend to the right of your pie chart. And there you have it. Your pie chart, complete with percentages, is ready for use.